What up, Vibers? Happy Youth Week. Today we're going into our community to get the voices of our rangatahi. Let's go.
Busy. I'm passionate.
Live your life to the fullest.
Trouble.
Belief.
Respectful. Having fun.
Being young.
Free.
Oh, having fun. Having fun, yeah.
I think enjoying school and taking every opportunity that comes your way.
Being responsible and being someone to rely on for the younger rangatahi.
Having your priorities straight.
Being a rangatahi for me is cool. You know, spending time with all the whānau and all your friends and at your age.
For me, I like having no responsibilities yet, you know, bills.
Probably like exploring everything.
I think being young is to enjoy being young and don't try and grow up fast.
Just living life while I can before I have to get a job and grow up.